Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Milford Orbitform model 305 Jlds rivet machine. Late model with the safeties on it. All original paint. This one was not beat up. It's serial number 70911. It says tooled for rivet reference 583. According to the tag on here, that is a 152 diameter rivet, 560 thousandths long with a 365 head. There's some rivets in it, and I have some material that they were riveting, so we will show you how well it rivets. It's 115 volt single phase. Machine's running at the moment. It's so quiet you don't even hear it. These are the parts we'll whack a rivet into. Put the rivet on. You put the idler rivet on the holder. Put your safety glasses on. And it drops out. Might take a minute to focus, but it's a real nice job. We don't get real clean late model riveters like this in too often. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs. Check the website because we have a few other riveters we're going to get up, including a real late model R2000, a late model. Ordered but never used. The company never put a wire on the machine. So again, go to the website, mullinmachinery.com.